This video shows you the recommended height where your build plate needs to be when you start printing. The liquid we're printing with at the moment on this machine is the Porcelite resin that's rather thick, so we actually start the build plate higher, and when we dip it doesn't go that deep when we actually start the first print. This is so that we can make sure we have the supports forming correctly, otherwise there will be a failure. So if a resin is much thinner, you can start a little bit lower and possibly also have your supports a lot shorter. I believe we used probably 7mm supports, but it probably only ends up printing about 5mm supports because we start so high above the resin. And so yeah, this is purely an indication of what you can do if you have difficulty starting your first print and it keeps on coming loose from the build plane.